Okay, this Breville 870XL has a couple problems. First of all, we replaced those parts. They are all leaking and corroded, as you can see. And the second issue here, which was unexpected, we have a problem with this little guy right here and this capacitor. So I'm gonna grab it from one of the boards I have here and I will desolder it. I'm not sure why this happens, but it's very common on those units. So I will take this guy out and the capacitor, and then I will transfer it right there. Let's see if it's hot enough. Maybe not yet. Might have to apply a little bit of heat here. Right here. Yeah. Missed it. Okay, I think we got this one out. Let's see. Yeah, okay, so this one out. Now I need to take this capacitor. There's one leg, I think, left right here. A quick repair and hopefully it's gonna work. The customer's waiting for a couple days, but nothing we can do, unfortunately. Sometimes those things happens. And now I'm gonna transfer them from here. So this is the two that I need to replace, this capacitor right here and this little guy right there. So that would be this guy right here. 1, 2, 3. Let's apply a little bit more heat. Okay, I think it's gonna go out now. Yeah, I think it's gonna go out. Let me see. Yeah, this guy's coming out. Yeah. Okay. So as you can see, this one is burned completely, and I'm gonna replace this capacitor, which is right there. You can see the burn marks as well. So and this is gonna be the second one, so not this one, this guy right there. 1, and come on, 2. I think it should come out now. Come on. It's a little bit of glue on the other side, but I think we got it all out. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pretty much solder everything back. So this guy will go right there. I'm gonna be able to do it. Okay, I think it's in now. Perfect. And this guy will go just beside him, like so. And that should fix the problem, I hope. So, okay, so now we're gonna put some flux. And let's get this one going. So okay. This part is complete. Now let's finish with the capacitor. Almost. And the other side too. Okay, so this job is complete. Now I'm just gonna clean it all out and test it. Okay, let's test this bad boy. I'm just gonna put everything back together and hopefully it will fix the issue. Otherwise the customer will have a problem with the little relay there. It's still gonna work, it's just the relay is gonna close right away, and it's basically fixed because when the customer brought the machine in, the issue was this. Unfortunately, sometimes during the not inspection, repair, you find out more problems, yeah, with the unit. Usually it's one problem, maybe two, but here there's lots of problems, and all it comes to maintenance. Customers, they don't like the maintenance, and this is a big one and a big reason why it doesn't work properly. So now I'm gonna test it without water. I'm just gonna plug it in and see if it works. Yeah, it's all fixed up. Alright, so we had to replace a couple parts here. As you can see, this was the solenoid. It's totally corroded inside. It was leaking here. All the T connections they were all leaking. This guy as well used to leak. And this is the secondary problem. The capacitor burned out, and this little triac as well. So after all that placement, the machine is back to normal. All what I have to do is just put it all back together, and it's going to be ready for pickup tomorrow. Thank you for watching, and if you guys have any questions, you can comment below, and don't forget to subscribe. Take care.